98.1 megahertz FM.
Hello, here's the FM transmitter I made. It uses an LC oscillator that generates FM radio waves or frequency modulation. The frequency range is from 88 to 108 MHz. When you connect a capacitor and an inductor in parallel, it forms an oscillator and you can change the resonant frequency by adjusting the capacitance and inductance. The mathematical formula to calculate the resonant frequency is F equals 1 over 2 pi times the square root of inductance times capacitance. This resistor is a bias resistor with a value of 10k ohms, used to provide bias to both the microphone and the base of the transistor. This one with a value of 150 ohms provides bias to the emitter. And this is a 2N222 NPN transistor. It functions as a signal amplifier and provides the feedback loop to the LC circuit. This capacitor serves as the positive feedback from the collector output back to the emitter. To sustain oscillation, you need to create a path for positive feedback. Without it, the circuit would not oscillate and no radio waves will be generated. This is the inductor and this is the microphone. Now let's test the transmission and see if our radio receiver can pick up.
Hello, hello, mic check. Hello, mic check, mic check. Hello, 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 mic check. Hello, 98.1 megahertz FM transmitter. Hello, check, mic check.
This is the antenna.